Welcome to Facts or Frauds.
All right, the gentleman at DDC, who's next? DDC.
I can't go back. Oh, that was the chair. The kid not, I did not give him permission to do anything other than a couple hours. Detain me for questioning and then to release me.
Say your name.
The owner of the gas station.
Say your name.
Live. Now, my property is
Say your name.
Armand Traffic Bay. That's my property. Power to UCC.
I'm hard.
I'll represent myself. Trying to respect the law.
Sir, can you please say your name?
My property is Quincy Armand Traffic Bay. There is no my name, it's my property.
Quincy Traffic Bay, sir?
Yes, Quincy Armand with a D, Traffic Bay.
Okay.
That's my property.
Thank you, Mr. Traffic Bay.
Judge, hold on 1 second, please. Ms. Shaw,
No.
spoken with Mr. Traffic Bay, because he said he spoke with someone.
I don't, there's, that person is
Spoken
not
to
on
a
the list.
defense counsel.
Could you take him off the camera of Men's 2, please, DDC, and put him on camera 4? Because he has not spoken with Ms. Shaw. We need to speak with him. He said he spoke with someone.
What's his,
He's number 9.
Okay. So, yeah, that's gonna be, bypassing the court, no breakout room, going directly to camera 4, correct? Counsel Scheid? What's your name, sir?
My property, Quincy Armand Traffic Bay. Property.
Last name again?
Property, what you call it that, property of that.
Is your last name Carter, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, first name is Carlton?
No, sir. I mean, no, ma'am. His first name is Quincy.
My property. Property.
Quincy
Armand
Traffic Bay.
That's my
Thank
property,
you.
yes.
Okay, Mr. Traffic Bay, this is Magistrate Chartea. Not only are you here on criminal matter, but you're also here on misdemeanor matter, where you did not show up for court. These misdemeanor matters, you're gonna get a personal bond where we're calling the warrant. You're gonna, nobody has paid money for you to get out of jail. Maximum penalty up to 93 days jail and or $500 fine. First ticket and only ticket is P1587822. Driving under a untitled vehicle, no insurance, misdemeanor. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. Court date is November 7th, 2024. Pre-trial in front of Judge Ruth Garrett. Mr. Traffic Bay, you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say, orally or writing, it can be used against you in a court of law. Right to an attorney, have that attorney present during questioning. If you're unable to afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you, court expense. Understand those rights, sir.
I'm just a Title 42 attorney appointed, a Title 42 lawyer that could be appointed to me. I can understand that. But I understand everything you're saying as long as it's a Title 42
Okay,
lawyer.
thank you. Mr. Traffic Bay, let me tell you the criminal matter. Case number 240-598-6501. You have an attorney. Counsel Reagan, is that you?
Your Honor,
Representing
speaking on
him?
behalf of Mr. Quincy Traffic Bay, Your Honor. I was able to tell Mr. Bay of what he's charged with, armed robbery, the maximum penalty. At the price, Judge, I would ask the court, well, let me stop there and I'll let the court proceed.
Counsel, you wait for me to stand you.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. Court dates are October 16, 2024. It is a probable cause conference. Filed by preliminary examination, October 23rd, 2024. Those matters are in front of Judge Jefferson. Mr. Traffic Bay, there's some bond conditions, sir. One is you're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons, including knives, machetes, pepper sprays, tasers. You are not to have any contact on a Ferris Mohammed. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact to third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. Let's see.
He stole my bike. He was right behind his car on the camera. And he told me to leave. And I did what he said.
Okay, Mr. Traffic Bay, everything is being recorded. Please don't say anything about the alleged incident, sir. Appreciate it. And
Please.
oh, you are not to go to the location 800 East 7 Mile. Do you understand those bond conditions, sir? Okay. Council Coyle, go ahead, ask the bond, please.
Yes, Your Honor. The people in this matter are asking for $75,000 cash surety, tether, house arrest. People note that this is all recorded on a video, that Mr. Travis Bay was at the gas station harassing customers. The complainant asked him to leave. He displayed a knife and threatened to kill him more than one time. He then proceeded to take items from the gas station convenience area at knife point. The police arrested him shortly thereafter with the items and the knife. The complainant identified him on the scene. I do note that Mr. Travis Bay has a history of drug offenses, as well as a 1994 great bodily harm, 2 counts in which he did prison time. He was eventually, his last time of being on probation or parole was May 5th of 23. I believe that it appears that from the file, as well as from the arraignment today, that Mr. Travis Bay may suffer from some mental issues. Based on that, the assaultive allegations set forth, I'm asking for that. And his prior assaultive record, I'm asking for that cash surety bond with the tether house arrest. And of course, no contact with the gas station and the complaint.
Go back to that location. Is that correct, Council Coyle?
Yeah.
Okay, gas station. Council Reagan, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, Judge, he won't go back to that location. Just said he won't go back. We're asking for $75,000 personal bond with the GPS tether and the honor. I would note that he is 48, lives in the city, so he has ties to the community, Judge. Does have priors, as Mr. Boyle did state. But I understand it seems menacing, but it's very dangerous, Judge. Whenever you talk about a alleged weapon, I do understand that. But as Mr. Travis Bay said, he cannot go back, have no contact, and if you put him on house arrest, Judge, he can't go out the house. So I would ask for the personal bond for him, with whatever conditions the court.
Thank you. And the court will note that the charge of armed robbery falls under the court rules 6.106, where this case can be remandable. Nobody is asking for remand on the people's side, but they are asking for a monetary amount. Court uses clear and convincing evidence standard. Court had the opportunity to look at the investigator's report. Allegedly, while the incident is caught on CCTV footage, supposedly they observed a knife in Mr. Travis Bay's hand. Allegedly, and the allegations is that he threatened to kill at least one individual. They tried to stop him because he had just stolen some multiple items. Let's see what else.
So I stopped for the police. And the owner told me to leave. Usually I wait for the police to get there. He said leave. I said okay. My bike was gone.
Mr. Travis Bay, you don't need to say anything more, please.
Okay.
Court uses clear and convincing evidence standard. Court is going to adopt the recommendation, $75,000 cash surety. We're not going to place a GPS tether on Mr. Travis Bay. This is an unaffordable bond, Council Reagan, is that correct?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, that means he's going to get another court date this Friday, October 11th. Okay, in front of Friday, October 11th, 9 o'clock, in front of Judge McConnell or Judge Williams, who'll look at the bond amount and bond conditions.
Do I get a personal bond now?
No, sir, you're getting another court date in which the judge is going to be looking at the bond amount or bond conditions.
Can I get the bond personal release so I can get out of here and see my
No, sir. No, sir, you're getting another court date this Friday.
That's days
So you're
away.
getting the
That's
court
what I'm
date
saying.
this Friday. You're not getting a personal bond, Mr. Travis Bay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You can step aside.
Come on, man, let's go.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.